sorry, not just Zimbabwe, Mozambique, ukuthi amathini ngeimoto zase-South Africa iphelela eMozambique, and kuleyo process yokuhijack kweyimoto zabantu base-South Africa, abantu base-South Africa are abducted and sometimes killed. Now the new strategy, la bafike bethatha khona zonke iy'ngane nomama nobaba bahambe nabo baze beyongena nabo eMozambique, bafike bebashiye ehlathini nabebababulala kokuqala. Okwesibili, Pakistan, Bangladesh, I would like to know, as High Commissioners and Ambassadors, that there are a lot of illegal immigrants, your illegal immigrants from your countries are here in the country, and some are legal. But we find illegal immigrants defending the wrongs that are done by illegal immigrants. What are you doing about that? Ubaba umhlonishwa umkhaya wami Santhako Muzogce. Mkhaya ayimboni yamatekisi njengoba ithi ayingeni kulezi zinto zabantu bofika futhi ayibuki yona ukuthi umuntu ufika noma uqhamukapi iqiniso lelo siyavuma. Sicela ukwazi ukuthi Santhako inalo lolwazi lokuthi ama-traffickers amaningi njengamanje asembonini yamatekisi bayazi futhi ukuthi i-human trafficking yenzeke embonini yamatekisi. Uma uya koManguze nokongwavumela koMozambique kunamatekisi every Friday alanda abantu abathathwa befakwe ehlathini belayishwe ngey'moto amatekisi balethwe koMtuba koMbangela nako Dududu emaplazini. Siyathokoza.